Get ready to play, move in every direction possible, dive into your own body, have some fun, challenge yourself, get comfortable with the sensation of progress, and really get a really clear delineation between what is the noxious stimulus of pain and the intensity of the sensation of progress, and breaking through restrictions, old injuries, emotional content, all of that. It's all put into that pain bucket. So that is the premise behind Posture Plus, is teaching you how to look after yourself, have trust and confidence in your body, because a lot have come from that path that I started with, which is the pain path. And just because you've had major injuries, just because you've got structural imbalances, you've had surgeries, whatever it is, you can chip away at what's going on in your body and you can change.